Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Guys, I have this question for these people who are fighting for my friend who are fighting for foreigners in South Africa. Can you, as a South African, go to Somali, Bangladesh or Ethiopia to open a shop there? Then after opening that shop, you fill your shop, you pack your shop with counterfeit goods, expired goods, rotten goods. Then you expect people from Somali or Bangladesh to come and buy those goods from you to support your business. Do you think people from Ethiopia, Somali or Bangladesh can come closer to your shop to buy and leave their own brothers and sisters in their own country? Will they even allow you to open that spaza shop in their country in the first place? Okay, let's assume they support you, which is impossible for you to be supported by Somalians in their country. Then after supporting you, buying from your shop, then you will unalive their kids with those counterfeit goods, rotten and expired goods. Then after unaliving their children, the Ethiopian police will come and fight for you and defend you. Do you think it's normal in other countries for that thing to happen? Really, guys, what is happening in South Africa, it's not normal, it's not ordinary, it's unusual. This South African police you're about to watch here, they were called by foreign spaza shop owners because the community is trying to close down their shop for selling counterfeit goods to their children. Make it make sense, guys. Is it normal? And police, truly they came to fight with South African community. Let's watch the video.
Hayi ngiyamshuta ngiyashuta. Ngithi ngani ngiyamshuta la? Nani guys? Hayi ngiyabashuta.
Bonke abahayi babuyele emakubo.
Oyi yabafuni. Usebenzela ini wena? Usebenzela ini? Ubani obhadalayo?
One of these guys said abahambe. Then the police is asking, where do you want them to go to? And then this guy said back to their countries. Then the police said the government wants them here.
Money, taxpayers. Taxpayers money. Yabo ukhuluma nje ukhuluma udoti. Taxpayers money. Taxpayers now. Nayi number plate yabo. Nangi nephunu. Nazi naba. Amaphoyisa wala eSouth Africa. Now. Amaphoyisa wala. Na amaphoyisa wala. Abantu fanele bazenzele umathanda la. Uthi government ifuna labantu la. Ngibhadala imali ethu thina. Even yakwazi lokho. Taxpayers money le. Yiyo le. Imali ethu enibhadalayo. We are paying you. Manginto lena mangisebenza ngiyathexwa ngithi ibhadala wena ngithi. Yeah, sanibhadala. Yeah, sathexwa. Yeah, ibhadala wena. Ngicabanga ukuthi government ithatha imali wena. Ena. I-tax yethu ibhadala nina. Njengoba nikhulumasa futhi. Ngizoprocessa amasimba wama-foreigner la kule country. Nisebenzela ama-foreigner or nisebenzela abantu? Nisebenzela ukuseva thina. I-government isho njalo wena. Isho kanjalo i-government. I-government isho kanjalo. Ngithi i-government isho kanjalo. Ithi ninto lena ni infringe kuma rights wama South Africans. Isho njalo i-government yeni.
Isho kanjalo i-government.
Does it say that? Your government. Do you know these people babuyaphi? No ngithi iyabaza abantu bangene kanjani le country from the start. You don't know. And uyazi ukhuluma nje into ongayazi manje. Ukhuluma into ongayazi. Hayi. Manje ngiyisenda manje. Ngisukume wonke lama media outlets. Naba babhekeni nabo. Now abo Clever base South Africa. Nithi now abo Clever base South Africa. Now bapegeni baprocess ama foreign. Thina we are South African citizens. Bese nabo abosathane laba nabo. Esingabazi siba bafika kanjani. Noma ningathatha lamabhodi nowalahle siwaphala amanye. Enaba babhekeni bakuphi kanje lapha? Yini Springs or yini? Springs na? Yeah, Springs. Ngisimbeni.
I wish I could get an answer from these South Africans who are fighting for these people, for all these questions I've asked. Because I don't think really that you can go to any African country and behave the way South African police or leaders are behaving. All our officials, I've never heard that if you go to Zimbabwe, you go to their home affairs, you bribe, you can do as you wish in their country. I've never heard that a Zimbabwean police can fight a Zimbabwean in Zimbabwe because of a South African. I have never heard what is happening in South Africa anywhere in the world. That the government, the officials, even the police will turn against their people because of foreigners. Is this how hungry we are as South Africans? Is it true what foreigners are saying about us? That we are lazy, we don't want to do things by ourselves. Is this the evidence? Because really there's nothing they are bowing before foreigners for, except to collect those leftovers from foreigners. That's the only thing, to collect bribes. The government official is collecting 20 rands, selling his or her own country for only 20 rands. There are so many shocking things we are hearing from the Madlanga Commission that they are doing, selling their own country, the country of their own children, for peanuts. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and share the video. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye.